Products are getting smarter, smaller, and more complex, which translate to designers require more insights into PCB performance to meet these demands. The standard rules of electronic designs can no longer apply. Your next connected invention will require that high-speed traces meet specific criteria for your components to operate correctly. Fusion 360 Signal Integrity Extension, powered by Ansys, empowers engineers to access the electromagnetic analysis capabilities that allow them to inspect and resolve issues with signal performance early in the routing design phase. See how changes to layer properties, defining polygon reference layers, or changing trace width affect your signal integrity, impedance, time delay, resistance, inductance, capacitance, and more. The easy-to-use interface provides quick visual feedback on design changes to help improve product compliance and performance, reduce costly physical PCB testing and prototyping, and accelerate development. All this and more with Fusion 360.